What's up everybody? Hope you're doing great. Welcome to my YouTube channel. In my today's video, I'll be talking about the charging problems of your device Samsung A52. So if you want to fix slow charging issue in your device Samsung A52, you have to follow a few steps which I'll be sharing with you in my today's video. But before that, if you're new to my channel, don't forget to hit the red subscribe button and the bell icon to stay updated. Now watch this complete video and you will learn how you can fix slow charging issue in your device.